Have you received a SMS or an email from the income tax department asking you to re-verify your donations, your deductions claimed in your ITR? Then please do not ignore this message because it is not a routine message. It is a nudge from the income tax department which can save you from interest and penalty. The income tax department has recently launched a data-driven campaign called the Nudge campaign to identify the fake donations claims in the ITR. Using advanced data analytics, the income tax department has found out that many donations claimed in the ITR were not genuine or they were made to questionable entities. And most of these cases relates to the deductions claimed under Section 80G, donations made to charitable institutions, and Section 80GGC, donations made to the political parties. In many cases, these donations were made to the unrecognized political parties. And instead of directly issuing notice, the department is giving the taxpayer a chance to voluntarily correct their returns. This is what the nudge means. एक SMS या एक email alert, you have to verify your ITR, check the details and file the revised or updated ITR if required. So think of it as a last opportunity before the department takes action against you. This message cannot be ignored because it can be costly. आपको इंटरेस्ट तो देना पड़ ही सकता है, टैक्स भी देना पड़ सकता है, आपको पेनल्टी भी देनी पड़ सकती है, and it can even lead to the scrutiny in some cases. So yes, this is a serious compliance issue. Now what you have to do as a taxpayer, आप अपनी ITR चेक करो. If you have received this nudge, you check your ITR कि आपने कहीं पैन नंबर तो गलत नहीं डाल दिया या आपने डोनेशन को किसी गलत कॉलम में तो नहीं डाल दिया जो आपको ये नज रिसीव हुआ है, या फिर आपने ऐसी एक डोनेशन मेड करी है जो कि एक अनरिकॉग्नाइज्ड पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को गई है या जेन्युइन नहीं है. आप अपने डोनेशन रिसीट्स रेडी रखो, अपनी बैंक स्टेटमेंट एज अ प्रूफ रेडी रखो जहाँ से आपने डोनेशन करी है, और अगर इफ़ द नीड अराइज फाइल एन अपडेटेड ITR. सी, टैक्स आपको तब भी देना था, टैक्स आपको अब भी देना है. अगर आपका पैन गलत हो गया तो पैन करेक्ट कर दो, गलत कॉलम में डाल दिया है तो ठीक से कॉलम में डाल के अपडेटेड रिटर्न फाइल कर दो. तो टैक्स तो आपको देना ही पड़ेगा ना, आप तब देते, इसके बदले आपने आप दे दिया. So, and the most important thing, please do not ignore this message. This is a compliance friendly step only if you act upon it. So, if you have claimed donations only for tax saving without proper verification, this is your chance to update the same. Follow for more such updates.